Here in Tampa, we're taking care of over 175 units. And I'm talking about cars, regular pool vehicles. We take care of medium duty trucks, heavy trucks, airboats, regular outboard engines. And then we got your regular lawnmowers. And we have tractors. I'm a master mechanic here with the district and the Tampa shop. My name is Ralph Cordero. My main goal is to ensure that every employee here has a safe vehicle to drive. The safety of all the employees here at the district, safety outweighs everything to ensure that they are safe while they're conducting their work out in the field. As an ASE Master Technician, ASE Automotive Service of Excellence, I am double certified in automotive, medium, and heavy truck. What I really love about my job is the schedule and the feeling of accomplishment. The scheduling here allows me to work a 4-day work week and still have enough time off to rest and enjoy my other hobbies that I like to do. The work-life balance here at the district is excellent. I love it. I love working here. The district does a really good job. It ensures that the water quality is there, not just for me and my generation, but for future generations as well. Working for the district, it's not just a job for me. It's my life's work.